Good morning, friends. Today we aren't in Tanja anymore. We are at the next city of Morocco, the Casablanca here. Right now, we are on our way to a place that almost have no tourists there, and it is not friendly as a place to do filming. We will be visiting a local wet market that's so raw it makes a Tanja fish market look like a petting zoo. As I was walking over to the wet market, I've been told by a few people on the street they are not very happy of me filming with my camera. And I did do my research online, but it doesn't seem that it's illegal at Casablanca here. Is there any things that they are not comfortable with for the locals to film? Well, let's find out. Personally, whenever I go to a new city, I would love to walk around out in the streets doing filming because I would love to see how the locals live, how is the street like at different countries. But at here is a bit run down. I don't really mind it and there's no offense here. It's just that don't feel that the vibe here is the case. It is actually very safe. However, as mentioned earlier, it do feels a little bit heavy and I'm a bit jumpy because what I'm doing here feels like a bad thing here. I'm filming and there's a few people that has been not welcoming on me on my film, and it seems like because I'm the Asia guy here, so I'm definitely standing out on the streets. Regardless, the tension here as I was working and filming is pretty high. It's like 100%. So as we are walking, we can have a chat on why this marketplace is like a secret. Because the wet market at Casablanca isn't really built for beauty. They were really for survival. In the past, here is like a pirate hub. When the French arrived here in the 19th era, they tried to sanitize this market, but the local resists. So for local here, right, this is like a fortress where they escape to this market, right, to hide, to defend themselves. I'm not sure is it this case that's why they don't like camera. It's not the law, but maybe it's a culture here. It's a bit shocking to me because a day ago, yesterday I was still in Tanja and it's also part of Morocco, but the people there are very warm and welcoming. They will love tourists, take photos, take videos, they'll even assist you in doing so. But right now in Casablanca, the total attitude is like 180 degrees change. Regardless, let's focus on what's in front of us right now, the product. The wet market product here have lots of alien-like fish. There's huge, interesting, of course there's vegetables here, fruits here, but the fish here is something that I will specially take note because they are alien-like, they are monster-like. Of course, there's also a huge variety of different fishes out there to check them out. And the reason why I love wet market is it gives me the idea of how local live. What are the food they put in their basket onto their dining table is definitely the fastest way to know more about a country's culture in the wet market. If you guys are sharp, have you noticed, right, there's not a lot of meat that's been sold here. Yes, there's seafood, there's fish, but not like huge piece of lamb or beef or chicken is being sold. It's because, right, they are actually kept in cages, which I'll be filming later once I got the chance. Because the local here are not very friendly and I just got yelled at again by some stall's owner for filming them. So I will be trying to see how can I film those livestock that are in the cage later. Check out how they put the seafood here in just baskets. It feels totally wild. Unlike the way that we present in Asia, we put in fish tank or something, the way that they do it is really wild. And look at here, there are some cages with livestock inside. This is the part, right, that I really can't film much because they are very defensive about it. Well, there's Casablanca, another side of Morocco. So what do you prefer? The Tanja that I have a few days back or Casablanca? Comment down below and let us know your thoughts. The adventure in Morocco will continue and do subscribe to the channel.